leaving your job as a VP, I still feel is a big deal. ठीक है. Now, अभी के time पे, if you observe the startup ecosystem, since we are in this space for last 6 years, and what I personally see is कि there are a lot of people, I would say people who are in early 20s wants to become a founder and leave their job, whatever they are having in hand, and get into doing something of their own. What would you advise them on this front? कि leaving your job and getting into a startup. And कभी कभी कैसा होता है कि when they left the job and started it and then they realize कि okay, there are a lot of things that needed to take care of, या फिर कुछ कई सारी और चीजें थी जो पहले करनी थी before leaving the job. What is your take on this part?
Yes, so I think entrepreneurship is a tough road, right? Tough journey. I think anyone जो कि सोच रहा है मुझे founder बनना है, entrepreneurship करना है, I think it is very important to realize कि आप ये क्यों करना चाहते हो,
Okay.
right? And what are the pros and cons of it?
Okay.
It is, बहुत लोग इसको, they think it's fancy, but it's not. मतलब I'll be very honest, like the kind of savings that have gone into it, right? पहले हर महीने salary is getting credited, and now it's like sometimes I don't even know कि next bill कैसे pay होंगे, right? So I think the trade-off is that your life literally changes. It takes like a 180-degree turn, right? तो वो you have to be prepared. It is very easy to quit a job, but it is very difficult to build a startup. तो आप ये क्यों करना चाहते हो और कितनी बुरे तरीके से करना चाहते हो? I think that is very very important because it will not be easy, right? मतलब, and I think if you talk to any entrepreneur, they will tell you कि यार it is tough. You have to really believe in the vision that you are trying to build, and if you really think yeah ठीक है, you can let go of everything just for that vision. I think that is when you should take that leap of faith, and that is when you should definitely take that leap of faith, because अगर आप खुद पे नहीं bet करोगे तो किस पे करोगे, right? So if you need to trust yourself, you need to trust your instincts, but yeah, make sure that you are ready for that journey, because वो बिल्कुल रोजी नहीं होने वाली है. So I think this is my take, but of course मैंने इसको बहुत bootstrap तरीके से बनाया. I'm sure different founders will have different way of looking at it.
Right. Actually, I was coming to that. I although I said this is the last question, but
No
this is the
worries.
very last question. कि it takes a lot of money to start anything from scratch. Maybe there is multiple ways कि आप अपने पैसे डाल लो, आप बैंक से लोन ले लो, आप फंड रेज कर सकते हो तो वो कर लो, इन्वेस्टर्स ऑन बोर्ड कर लो. In your case, you did it bootstrapped, and when you left your job, would you like to share what was the salary when you left OYO as a VP?
I don't want to share that, but बहुत थी अभी तो ऐसा लगता है बहुत. It was significant. It was definitely significant.
That you left and
yes,
started this.
yes.
All right.
Perfect. And it also helped, right? Because मतलब I had a lot of savings also, and plus of course a lot of funds also came from my family, but I did have a lot of my savings at least to sustain myself and put into the business when needed. So I think that helped.
Actually, I was coming to that line only कि since when you have good savings, it is easier for you to
Correct.
start. But let's say when you are in your early 20s, it becomes very difficult to bootstrap anything and put in money because you don't have money. कहाँ से आप डालोगे, right? So again, like what I feel is कि whenever someone is planning to leave their job and getting into a startup, they should be having some kind of financial backup.
So मेरा उसमें ये मानना है कि like I started late in my life. I feel I had some money, some savings, a lot of experience also that helped, right? If you're starting just being 20, 21, you have a lot of time, so you can do a lot more things yourself. You can go a little slower. You don't need a bigger team. आप बहुत कुछ खुद करो because you have the luxury of time, and if you don't have money and you also you don't have experience, so आपको experience भी खुद करके ज़्यादा आएगा, right? So I think that is a trade-off. अगर आपको जल्दी भी start करना है, all you need to do is like make sure you keep your expenses low, and just take more to do things, but do it yourself, right? If you have a little bit luxury of money, so you can hire people earlier on.
Right. Always
I think
better to have.
Yeah, always better to have, yeah. But of course, starting, by the time you're 30 plus, I think you have gained experience. So I think वो trade-off है of, knowing lot more, you can build faster. Knowing less, you can build slower. But then you have time. So, it doesn't matter in the end.